The National Self-Service machine, a 5-cent machine that's up for auction. It does have the patent date of March 26, 1925. Made by the Chicago Gum Candy Company, Chicago, Illinois. It does have the original sticker. Obviously it's been on there for 80 or 90 years, so it's brittle and peeling, and it's missing in some spots. You can check out the pictures for more details. This machine does not have the key, however the back can be gently pried off with a screwdriver to load the machine and to service it. It is in working order. The glass is good. Again, this needs to be cleaned and given some maintenance. It's all original. It is missing this bottom plate on the underneath, however, it doesn't affect the operation. So you would load the machine with the standard pack of gum. Again, this is mechanical. I'll include 5 buffalo nickels that were the common nickel at that time, 1925. So you would choose your gum and you put in your nickel and push down the plunger. There you go. As you can see, it works, but it needs some maintenance to be maybe even a smoother working machine. Check out the pictures for more details. 1925 patent, National Self-Service mint and chewing gum machine. Thanks for looking.